Copper CRM tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Copper CRM. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Copper, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Copper CRM, it is a cloud-based customer relationship management or CRM tool designed to integrate seamlessly with Google Workspace, in which it offers a range of features to help businesses manage their customer relationships, sales, and projects. And key features include task automation, email tracking, lead and contact management, third-party integrations, sales analytics, and customized reporting. And Copper supports various industries, including agencies, real estate, corporations, and consulting businesses, and is particularly suitable for businesses that have adopted Google Workspace. And now, to start using this platform, you could also click this Try Free button right here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this page where you can sign in using your Google account or your email address. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page, and from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information by selecting your answer in here. And after that, just proceed by clicking the next button below here to proceed. And upon clicking on next button, you will be able to be directed on this page, and all you need to do is to enter your company's name. To select your answer to the question, how big is your company? We have here solo, 2 to 5 members, 6 to 20, and many more. Then it will ask you, is this your first CRM? You could also select your answer, then proceed by clicking the next button below here to proceed. And upon clicking on this button right here, we will be able to be directed on this page right here. Then just from here, just simply select your industry, and after that, just click the next button below here to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed on this dashboard, in which it will show you in the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here feed, people, companies, pipelines, tasks, marketing tools, and many more. And by clicking this feed option, it will provide you a centralized view of all different interactions and activities related to contact, lead, opportunity, or account record, wherein users can see emails, activities, and messages posted directly to the feed by their sales team. And aside from feed option, you could also navigate this people option by simply clicking on it. From here, you will be able to manage customer relationship and contacts, in which people refers to contacts that have been already qualified and are considered part of the business customer base. And to add a person, just proceed by clicking this Add a Person button right here. And upon clicking on it, it will show you a pop-up window. And on this pop-up window, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information in here. We have here the first name, last name, middle name, prefix, suffix, the company name, the title or your job, contact type, owner, your work email, work phone number, LinkedIn account, work website, address, and any other details below here. So all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information right here in order to add a new person. And you could also add a description and tags in here, in which using this option, it will allow you to centralize or even store and manage information about these existing contacts, including their contact details, communication history, and any relevant context about the relationship. And you could also import contacts by clicking this import contacts right here to simply import all of the contacts from other website or file in your computer. Now moving on, aside from people, you could also navigate on the left side panel this companies option, in which by simply clicking on it, from here it will serve as the vital tool for businesses to manage and organize their corporate contacts and relationship effectively, in which this feature allows users to link individual contacts to specific companies, providing comprehensive view of all interactions and engagement associated with that company. And to add a company, just click this button right here, and on this pop-up window, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information as we did on people, in which by simply filling out all of the required information, you will be able to add new company by clicking the save button below here. And by centralizing company information, users can track deals, opportunities, and communication related to specific organizations, enabling a more strategic approach to managing corporate accounts. And additionally, the company's feature facilitates better segmentation and targeting clients, streamlines communication within the organization, and enhance collaboration by providing a clear overview of all activities and engagement associated. Now moving on to the other option that we can start navigating, which is this pipelines. By simply clicking on it, it will serve as a powerful tool for managing and tracking sales processes, projects, and other business activities. And pipelines are customizable workflows that help users visualize and organize their sales stages. And by clicking this Create a Pipeline button right here, you will be able to be directed on this page. You could also explore other templates, browse a use case, and many more. We have here sales, consulting sales, project management, customer management, investment, partnership, recruitment, donations, and many more. In which from here, each pipeline can have multiple stages which are used to track the movement of opportunities through the sales processes. Now moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate the task option, which from here you can manage and organize individual action, items, and team workflows. And if you want to add new task, just click this add a task button right here, in which upon clicking on it, it will show us on this pop-up window that all we need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, including the name, activity type, this phone call, meeting, SMS, and other info in here, including this related to the due date and the time, to choose its priority, description, visibility, and even tags in here. So basically from here, users can create a single task, recurring task, or set up automated task triggered by certain events or record changes. And aside from task option, you could also navigate these marketing tools by simply clicking on it. They serve as a comprehensive suite of capabilities designed to help businesses effectively manage their marketing efforts and customer relationships. Now moving on, you could also navigate these My Track emails right here by simply clicking on it. It serves as several purposes of enhancing the overall email management and sales processes within the platform. So basically, this feature allows users to track emails including whether they are open, clicked, or viewed, providing valuable insights into prospect engagement and activity. And now, moving on to the reports option right here. It provides users with comprehensive visibility and insights into their business performance and sales activities, which it will allow users to generate a variety of pre-built and customizable reports that cover key metrics such as sales pipeline, lead and opportunity management, team productivity, and many more. Now moving on, you could also navigate the settings option, which serves as a central hub for managing and customizing various aspects of the platform to suit individual and organizational needs. In which on the left side panel, you could navigate here or customize the dashboard, manage field or records, and many more. And aside from that, under lead, you could also see here the lead statuses. If you want to enable lead, just simply turn on this one right here. You'll now be able to create, manage, and convert leads. And below, it will show you some of the lead statuses. But you could also create new one if you want to right here. And aside from that, below here, if you scroll down, you could also navigate here the integration, automation. And for integration, by simply clicking on it, it will show you a variety of application and website that you could also integrate with this platform. We have here Slack, Ring Central, QuickBooks, PersisQ, Reply, DocuSign, and many more. And aside from that, if you also want to add this Copper website on your Gmail, you could do so by clicking this Add Copper to Gmail button on the top left corner. In which from here, you could also simply click this Get the Extension for Chrome button right here. And after that, you can simply installing for extension of this Copper to your Google or Gmail. So basically, Copper CRM is an important tool for businesses and particularly to those who uses Google Workspace, such as for streamlined conduct and lead management, robust security practices to enhance collaboration, and other purposes of this website for your business. So that is just basically how you can use Copper CRM. Thank you.